What is the best approach to explain a project that you have done during an interview? The best approach is explaining the project from the angle of the priorities of the person that is interviewing to and the priorities of the team. Now, how do you do that? First, try to research the team or the company or the interviewer. For example, in my case, I've done recommenders. I work a lot on recommendation systems, and honestly, every time I have an interview, I can't believe that people don't know about recommenders, and at least they haven't looked at the repo to see what we have there. So really understand what are the priorities. Another thing you can do is you can ask them. You can ask the interviewer. This is tricky because a lot of the times the interviewer would like to talk about the team at the end or the priorities at the end. Maybe you can ask at the beginning something like, well, are you going to tell me about your priorities or explain to me what the projects that you're working on? Try to let them speak first. That's something actually that I learned from salespeople. Salespeople, the first thing they do in a sales process is they ask the customer what they want. So you should behave like a salesperson in that case. Ask them what are their priorities, and then when you know the priorities, and then you answer, speak about the projects you've done from the angle of these priorities. For example, if I were to apply to a team where most of their work is in NLP, instead of talking a lot about all the work that I've done in recommendation systems, about recommenders, about all the customers that I work with, what I'll do is I'll talk about the NLP projects that I've done, and then maybe I'll bridge that with other success customers that I might have done with other projects like recommendation systems.